Hi, and welcome to this quick how-to video on the iC-R helmets. Today we're going to be walking you guys through how to get navigation up on your iC-R helmet. Now there's two ways to do this, and really the best ways to do it are through the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto options on your HUD display. Make sure you've gone and watched our previous video on connecting Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your iC-R helmet. Once you've done that, it's pretty simple. Any app that is compatible with Apple CarPlay or with Android Auto will be usable and accessible through the iC-R HUD. That being said, we highly recommend not setting navigation while you are on the road. Therefore, we highly recommend using your phone to set the destination that you wish to reach. Then you can make your way over to either the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto options on your iC-R dashboard, and once open and connected, your navigation will be streamed directly to your HUD. And thanks for checking in on this iC-R how-to video. Make sure that you check out the rest of the series and stay tuned for anything else coming up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!